Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this Bitcoin halving profit cycle indicator that is showing us Bitcoin take profit areas. For example, after the halving of 2012, you can see we had a nice rally and profit taking area was started here in the month of October 2013, then ended here in the month of May 2014, and after that we had a long bearish move to the downside. Then we had another halving in the month of August 2016. We had another rally. This profit take area was started here in the month of June 2017 and ended here in the month of January 2018. Then we had another long-term bearish move. By the way, this is the monthly time frame chart. And then we had another halving in the month of June 2020. Then we had another very, very massive rally, and this was the take profit area that was starting here in the month of April 2021. And after that, it was ended here in the month of November 2021 when Bitcoin peaked at $69,000. And after that, we had a very long-term bearish move. And now we have just crossed the halving period, you can see, and we are still very far from this take profit area. And in today's video, we will analyze this indicator. And I would also like to show you Bitcoin rainbow chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for a near protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of May 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And here on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very massive rally, formed a double top here and almost dropped down at the support of this very, very huge up channel. And by the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that once we will break it out, then the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $70,000. But if we take a look at this indicator of Bitcoin halving cycle profit, then you can see that we are still very far from this take profit area. Whenever after the halving Bitcoin starts rallies, then you can see that after these take profit areas, Bitcoin starts their long-term bearish move to the downside. Like it happened after December 2012. After the halving, we had a nice rally. This was a take profit area. This was the profit ended. And then we had a long-term bearish move. Then this was the halving of 2016. It happened again. And after the halving of June 2020, you can see it happened again. We had a long rally. Then this was the take profit area. And this was the profit ended. And then we had a long bearish move. And now we have just crossed the halving of April 2024, and we are still moving very close to this period of halving and still a very, very big move due. It means that somewhere here in March 2025, this take profit area will be started, and still there is a probability that this bull run will be not ended. However, we need to keep an eye on these supports that I've been telling you in my every video of Bitcoin, the support of the channel and this long-term support, very critical support of $49,000 that had been previously breaking. This support of $49,000, by the way, that had been previously breaking as a support here, a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. Right now, the price line is moving at this long-term support on the 7 days time frame chart of $56,500, and somewhere it is also moving to this short-term support of $53,000 as well. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, that is also indicating that Bitcoin after the halving did not reach the red zone. You can see whenever after the halving Bitcoin starts rallies, then you can see that it rallies at least up to these red zones. And in fact, in 2013, it crossed beyond this red zone. And here it happened again in 2017. And here we move very close to this red zone after the halving of 2020. You can see that we almost reached that zone. And this time you can see that we are very far away from this red zone, and we have just crossed the halving period as I was showing you here as well. Therefore, still there is a probability that we may see after some price correction, we may see in the long term still a very, very big move up till in March 2025. We may see higher levels of Bitcoin price. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.